Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English podcast, where learning English is both easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again. How are you today, Emma?
I'm great, Daniel. Thank you. I'm really happy today. How about you?
I'm very good, thanks. You look happy.
Yes, I had a really good weekend. It was fun.
A good weekend. That's wonderful. My weekend was good too.
Nice. Talking about the weekend is such a common topic. People always ask, how was your weekend?
Exactly. At work, with friends, we all say that every Monday. That's a perfect topic for today's episode.
Yes, let's talk about our weekends. It's simple and useful English practice.
I love that idea. Let's do it.
Great. But first, a small reminder for everyone listening, if you like our podcast, please give us a like.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to the Easy English podcast and share this episode with your friends and family. It really helps us a lot.
It sure does. Thank you, everyone. Okay, Daniel, let's start. You first. How was your weekend?
My weekend was very relaxing. I was a little tired from the week, so I wanted a quiet weekend.
A quiet weekend sounds nice. What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I slept late.
Sleeping late, the best part of the weekend.
Exactly. After that, I made a big breakfast. Coffee, eggs, and toast.
That sounds delicious. A good breakfast really starts the day right.
Yes, then in the afternoon, I went to the park and read a book on a bench.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Was it sunny?
It was beautiful, sunny and warm. The park was full of people, families, kids, and dogs.
That sounds peaceful. What book did you read?
It was a book about animals. Very simple, but interesting.
I love reading in nature too. It feels relaxing. And how about the evening?
In the evening, I stayed home, listened to music, and cooked dinner.
You cooked. Nice. What did you make?
Pasta. Simple, but very tasty.
I love pasta. So your Saturday was calm and relaxing.
Exactly. Sleep, food, a book, and music. A perfect Saturday. What about you, Emma?
My Saturday was a bit busy, but fun.
Oh, a busy Saturday. Tell me more.
In the morning, I cleaned my apartment.
Cleaning. The not-so-fun part of the weekend.
True, but I like a clean home. I played some music, so it was okay.
Music always helps. And after cleaning?
In the afternoon, I went shopping with my friend Sarah.
Shopping! That sounds fun. Did you go to the mall?
Yes, to the big mall downtown. We looked at clothes and shoes.
Did you buy anything?
I did. A new blue shirt. It's really nice.
Blue suits you, I'm sure.
Thank you. After shopping, we were tired, so we went to a cafe.
A cafe is always a good idea. What did you have?
I had tea, Sarah had coffee, and we shared a piece of chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. Now I'm hungry.
It was delicious. We talked and laughed a lot.
That sounds like a wonderful afternoon. Friends, shopping, and cake? Perfect combo.
Exactly. And in the evening, I watched a movie at home.
Oh, nice. I listened to music. You watched a movie. What kind?
A comedy. Very funny. I laughed so much.
That's the best way to end a busy day.
Totally agree.
So, my Sunday was also quiet. I like my Sundays slow.
That's a good plan. What did you do in the morning?
I went for a walk around my neighborhood.
A morning walk is healthy.
Yes, it felt great. Cool and fresh air. After that, I went home and read my book again.
You really liked that book.
I did. In the afternoon, I visited my parents.
Oh, that's lovely. How are they?
They're great. Thanks. We had lunch together. My mom is a fantastic cook.
What did she make?
Chicken and rice. My favorite.
That sounds delicious. It's always nice to visit family.
It is. We talked for a long time. I also helped my dad in the garden.
That's so nice. Do they have a big garden?
Not very big, but full of colorful flowers.
That sounds beautiful.
It was a perfect Sunday afternoon. Then, in the evening, I watched a little TV and went to bed early.
Ready for Monday.
Exactly. Relaxed and recharged.
Sounds perfect. My Sunday was a mix, a bit busy, a bit relaxing.
Oh, tell me.
In the morning, I went to church.
A peaceful way to start Sunday.
Yes, it was lovely. After that, I went to the farmer's market.
I love those. So many fresh fruits and vegetables.
Exactly. I bought apples, bananas, and tomatoes. Everything looked so colorful.
Great choice and very healthy.
I like to cook with fresh food, so in the afternoon, I cooked.
Wow. What did you make?
A big salad with tomatoes, fruit salad with apples and bananas, and some soup.
You cooked a lot. That's amazing.
Thank you. I like preparing food for the week. It makes weekdays easier.
Very smart idea.
After cooking, I relaxed on the sofa and listened to a podcast.
An English podcast?
Of course! It's great practice.
Nice. And what about the evening?
I called my sister. She lives in another city, so we talk every Sunday.
That's so sweet. Staying connected with family is important.
Yes, we talked for about an hour. Then I read a book before bed.
So we both read this weekend.
Yes, seems we both love books.
So your weekend was church, market, cooking, and calling your sister.
And yours was sleeping late, reading, cooking pasta, and visiting your parents.
They were different, but both really nice weekends.
I agree. It's fun hearing about each other's weekends.
Same here. I got some ideas for next weekend. Maybe I'll go read in the park.
And maybe I'll visit my parents. It's good to have different kinds of weekends. Sometimes busy, sometimes quiet.
Exactly. It depends on what you need. Rest, fun, or time with family.
Right. Weekends are your time to recharge.
Yes, and for everyone listening, talking about your weekend is easy English practice.
You can talk about Saturday and Sunday, morning, afternoon, and evening.
Exactly. Use simple sentences. I went. I watched. I ate. I met.
And describe how you felt. I was happy. I was tired. I was relaxed.
Exactly. It's a great conversation starter.
Well, this was a fun chat, Daniel.
It really was, Emma. And I think time's almost up.
Oh, you're right. Time flies when you're having fun.
We hope this was helpful for everyone listening.
Yes. Now we want to hear from you. Tell us about your weekend in the comments.
Did you cook, meet friends, or just relax? We'd love to read your stories.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Easy English podcast for more simple and fun lessons.
And please share this episode. Sharing is caring.
It really is. Thank you all so much for listening today.
Have a wonderful week, everyone.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.